I hail our people across the whole world. Welcome to Pidgin News Network, where news the bono fairly get the latest news for Nigeria and Obodo Yibo. Nyans as they pan for we street, parable as them we forefathers talk camp, tori as they flow from we Pidgin world go enter everywhere. Bata. My name now Roro Pata 20 kilometers. Now welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. A hungry cockroach to dance outside, but now the fear of Okuko no gree. Because if he come out come dance, Okuko go swallow am. So therefore, we self hungry us to come out, go judgment to greet our friend. But now coronavirus no gree. So make we stay our house to protect we family, we nation, and we world. The number for this coronavirus don't enter past 1 million across the world. Wahala dey over 53,000 don't buy, and over 213,000 don't carry waka go their house. They don't well. That means hope dey for us. If we report quick and we take treatment, we go well, go back house. My people, we dey hear say wear mask, we dey hear say no wear mask. World Health Organization been talk say make we no wear mask. Say na only people wey sick or wey get corona suppose dey wear mask, and the medical doctor. But the medical sabi for America, the scientists don't go research, enter ground well. Come talk say after plenty experiment, say e good make we wear mask yo. Because this coro, them say even though for talk and for breathing, person fit pass and give another person. Wahala dey full ground o. But as wahala dey full ground, na so mankind dey run up and down the whole world to ensure say answer dey. People who don't get am for America don't enter 245,000 above, and over 6,000 don't pay. Hey, wahala dey ground as I talk before. 1,200 people na buy for US for the last 24 hours. That na the highest in the world for one day. Now we get this world from time immemorial. Na Koro go leave us, e go vamoose, no be we go comot. Russia don't send medical supply go America. China sef don't send. As we dey talk, na unity go help us. Country must help country. People must help people to ensure say we fight this war together and win. Everybody just dey see as e dey go. Even for football matter for Belgium, they don't talk say the season don't cancel. Then carry the cup give Club Brugge, say na them win this season. Hi, now God know what go happen for other countries. So England, France, Germany, Italy, we no even back for our own country. Nobody know as they go. Business they go down, money they fall for the whole world. People no get food to chop, things they go chaka. Government they try their best, make we say try our best to survive this moment where we did. My brothers and sisters for Nigeria, the thing don't dey turn national cake as the waka enter different states, small, but hope they follow. I beg make una help me shout hallelujah, hooray! Because why? Government say they don't trace about 3,550 people will come in contact with people who get this coro. Hallelujah again. Now 5,000 people they find to trace so. But they don't trace 3,550. That's a good, correct mark for Nigeria. The total number of people who get them for Nigeria don't enter 190 as they talk on Thursday. With this latest calculation, Lagos now gets 98. Federal Capital Territory, Abuja 38. Osun 20. Kaduna 4. Oyo 8. Enugu 2. Edo 4. Bauchi 3. Ekiti 2. Akwa Ibom 5. and Ogun 4. Rivers and Benue then get one case each. Plenty other news today. 18 people out of people who return from Cote d'Ivoire for Osun State don't test positive. Lagos don't discharge 11 more patients to make 20 where they don't talk to me that they go out as they don't well. 248 don't by themselves sit down for house. They do isolation for your state. They good like that. Make they do like that so that we fit control this virus where they blow like breeze. Federal government don't ask Nigerian Medical Association to open register may retired doctor. May they come follow fight this battle. Government don't recommend say 300 beds small 300 bed wey small pass 300 bed now make them put for every isolation center, make it no dey less than 300. Then say satellite market fit open to sell food for people. Satellite market na all those neighborhood market wey dey near you where you fit buy your food and your drugs, and na every 2 days they go dey open from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. make una see as e dey go. Everything don dey go seme. Make we just ensure say we obey the rules as dem talk am. My fellow Nigerians and people across the world, make we open our eye, open our ear, make we do wetin we suppose do. Wash your hands all the time. No hug people. Stay your own and stay my own. No stay for where more than 20 people gather. Use hand sanitizer. Stay at home. Help yourself. Help Nigeria. Help the whole world so that we will fit fight and win. As the news dey carry waka up and down, na so we will dey follow am, dey bring am come on our doorstep. This na Pidgin News Network, where news dey start from. I hail una. Back am.